We are going to start, and I'm going to show you how to make all these felt succulents. I've got a bunch of different designs here, and each of them are really easy to make. You just have to know the different patterns. There are patterns that you can go online and print out, but I find that it's actually really easy just to make your own. So I'm going to show you how to make your own felt succulents without any printed pattern. You are going to need some felt sheets, and these are pretty inexpensive at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart. You can get a whole bunch of different kinds. We are going to start on another really simple one. If you don't think you can do the designs, we're going to go ahead and do a very simple succulent that is just pretty much ovals. So we're going to go ahead and go up and over. We're going to do this 3 times. Okay, we've got our 3 large ones. We're going to go ahead down, and instead of folding it completely, we're going to pull it down about 1/2 inch. And then do the same thing. Up, around the edges, and bring it down. So we've got our 3 large ones. We've got our 3 medium ones. Now we're going to go ahead and even fold it down a little bit more, and we're going to cut 2 or 3 small ones. So we've got 3 large, 3 medium, 3 small. And we're just going to go ahead and put them together like we did our others. I'm going to go ahead, put some glue in the middle, and fold it slightly to the side so that it's side by side. And we're going to do this to all of our pieces, the small, medium, and large. So we're going to start with our small. We're just going to start wrapping it around and actually gluing it on itself. There's the little tiny center of our succulent. And then as you go, we're going to go ahead and wrap these around. There we go. Kind of see as it's growing on the back. Those are all our small ones, so we're going to go ahead and move on to our medium size. Wrap that around. Our last medium here. See the bottom? It kind of looks like a rosette as we're building on just each layer going around. All right. Now we're going to start on the large ones. All right, and you can do as many leaves and rounds as you want. I'm going to go ahead and stop there with 3 small, 3 medium, and 3 large, but you could certainly add on to do this bigger. So you can tell just from here, it was the same rough pattern. I just did a little point here at the top and did it bigger. And then this one, I just rounded it. You can certainly get different ideas, different shapes, different designs, just from the different pattern that you make your large, small, and medium. Another quick and easy one to do is this right here. And you can see the back. This takes a lot of felt, but felt is pretty cheap. What you're going to do is do a strip of felt, fold it over, and then you're just going to cut strips about 2/3 of the way down. I'm going to do these about 1/4 of an inch, and you don't want to cut all the way through. You're just going to go ahead, cut little by little. It's always good to have sharp scissors when you're working with felt. All right, now that we've got that done, we're going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to glue down one side. And then flip it over. Glue the other side. You could do this and glue it before you've cut all your little strips, or you can wait till after. So there we go. That's what it looks like. And now you're just going to go ahead and take one end and start rolling it up on each other. So just go ahead and put glue as you go. Roll it up. Depending how large you want, you can certainly add more felt on the end. And just keep adding strips and strips. I'm going to make this a tiny little one. I'm going to trim off the ends. And there you go. How cute is that little succulent? That is adorable. And then you can make it however large you would like. I've shown you a couple different designs that you can make. And here is the pattern piece for it. This one has a little point. I showed you just the round one right here. You can make a couple other designs. I made this one. This is one of my favorite. And this is just very long, thin triangles. So you would just do it like that, cut it in half, fold it in half, and then cut it very long, skinny triangles. I went ahead and add some slits on the side, pull it out, and then you can make a lot of these. You can make one that looks pretty much like this, just has a little bit of a different design. This is very similar to this succulent that I did and put in a little pot. And then you can even use just circles. These were both made with just little tiny circles like this. And I'm going to flip it over and see. I just started gluing the circles together. This one I went out further a little bit. And then here's one of my last designs. I really like this one. It's not as much felt, but it really has some 3D dimensions. You can see that on the camera. It really poofs out quite a bit. And you make that kind of by making what I call a lily pad, a little circle, and then you're going to cut half of it. And then you're just going to fold it open over and glue it. So it makes this little bowl shape. And that way you can glue multiple of these together. And I really like this look as well. I hope you got some ideas and you go and make some of your own succulents. They're certainly fun to have a whole bunch of, and I hope you have fun putting together a whole assortment of them. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.